Hello everyone, today our presentation is about translating a part of the chapter Cohesion and Coherence, and our part is Understanding Connection. We are group Tahi1, and each of us will use a glossary to translate our text. In the end, we will introduce our digital tools, strategies, and principles used during the translate process. In the first part, I put these words and phrases in my glossary. 然后我们就放到原文中一起来看吧。Map，这个 map 呢，就是作为名词的话，就是我们大家都知道的地图的意思，但是它作为动词有测绘的意思。但是我们把这个测绘如果带入到这个句子里面，就有一点不通顺的感觉，因为我们看后面它是，角色和他的行为放到主语和动词上面。所以它的意思，它这句话大概的意思就是说把人物和动作对应到这个主语和动词上面，所以我就把这个 map 翻译成对应。所以这句话就是这么翻译，感觉一个段落 hangs together 就是hang 就是悬挂的意思嘛，但是这个如果直接翻译的话就是挂在一起，就是肯定跟这个文章的意思肯定是不符合的，所以根据它这个上下文的以及它整一个章节想要表达的意思，我就把它翻译成了连贯一致。所以这句话就是，并且它这有一个 before 嘛，就是我们可以把后面的先翻译出来，所以就是但读者在感觉一个段落连贯一致之前，需要的不仅仅是清晰的单独的句子。接下来它就是举了这两段文字，例如我就把这个例如也到先前面翻译了。这句话就是例如下面两段文字讲了几乎是一样的事情，但是给人很不同的感觉。然后接下来由下一个同学继续。
Hello, I'm Zhen Rulian. Here is my glossary. My translation work starts with an in-depth analysis of the original text. For instance, the term American democracy can have different meaning in various contexts. During my translation process, I pay attention to its corresponding interpretation within Chinese culture and political systems. Equal opportunity is a key point in the sentence, so I have emphasized it. In translating the wealthiest family, I consider not just its literal meaning of 最富有的家庭, but also possible implications for social status and access to educational results. Intellectual skills. This phrase could refer to a broad range of ability in English, including critical thinking and problem-solving skills. It could be translated as 智力能力. In dealing with the word divide, which can be translated as 划分, I noted its metaphorical, using the text referring to 社会的分化和不均等，因此可以翻译为分裂。Equal opportunity, egalitarian, basic, and democratic society are terms whose precise professional terms and conceptual meanings are accurately conveyed in the translation, ensuring that the reader can understand their specific intent in the given context.
Hello, this is Tahi1. The text I translated is pretty much similar to Zhenru's part, so I will skip the glossary part. Many phrases in the original text have acceptable translations, and when choosing which one to use, since the original text is a textbook, we try to use more formal expressions, such as translating equal opportunity as 机会均等. And to be consistent with the context, both Zhenru and I translate intellectual skills as 精致技能. Need to emphasize is the translation of outpace, where Zhenru and I differed. I think it's unnecessary to paraphrase here, so I just translated outpace into 超过 directly according to the source text.
Hey everyone, I'm Tahi1. This is my part. I find 5 words that need to understanding. The first one is choppy, 这是一个形容词. That means 不断改变方向的、波涛汹涌的、杂乱的。In our words, we can say the first sentence. The first seems choppy. 第一个看起来断断续续. So the choppy means 断断续续. The second word is agreement. 这是一个名词. That means 安排、商定、进展、布置、改变. In our part, we can say this sentence. What is about agreement of words in that makes us feel we are moving through it in fits and starts. Around our sentences, we can understand that agreement means 进展. Third word is judgment. 这也是一个名词. That means 判断、看法和报应. In our part, we can see we base those judgment on two parts of words other. So around sentences, we can understand the judgment is 判断 and choice exclusive. It's two words in one sentence that we judge consists of sentence to be the choice depending on how each sentence is ending and that's next begins. So around all sentences, we can easy to understand in the exclusive 连贯性 exclusive 序列 and choice 连贯性. Let's also find the difficult words is cumulatively. In its sentences, this words need to understanding. Its understanding is 累积. That's all my part.
As for the strategies adopted, I asked my teammates to write down strategies and key points that they considered useful for their own translation process. And based on these keywords, I would like to present a useful German translation theory that I've learned. It's a scopus theory. It contains three principles. First, the scopus rule. This principle requires the translator to treat the text as a whole according to the purpose of the translation. Since we are translating a textbook, we want it to be formal, academic, but not too sophisticated. Second, the coherence rule. Translation is considered adequate only if the target audience can understand the text and if the communicative situation of the translated text is similar to the cultural background of the target audience. 3. The fidelity rule. The fidelity rule requires coherence between the source and target text. We must not only be faithful to the source text in meaning and should not overstep the content of the source text, but also imitate the form and style. For example, the source text numbered examples, so we did the same thing, calling them Li1 and Li2. That's all for our presentation. Thanks for listening.